Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Thank you for being with us.
Honey.
Honey is a sweet product that has been celebrated for its healing properties for thousands of years. You can use it to sweeten your tea, for example, or add it instead of sugar to muffins, cookies, toast, and other baked goods. But its uses don't stop at cooking. There are countless ways to use honey in cosmetics and folk medicine.
Treat yourself.
Honey has moisturizing properties that make it a wonderful addition to your beauty routine. Here are some ways you can use it. To add shine and moisture to your hair, mix in 15 grams of honey. 200 milliliters of milk, preferably warm.
And mix it well.
Apply the mixture along the full length of your hair, from roots to tips. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash it out with shampoo. Honey and milk will not only make your hair smooth and manageable, but also soothe a dry scalp. To wash your face, mix the right amount of honey with a little warm water. Massage your face with the honey mixture for a few minutes, then rinse off. Your skin will feel fresh, smooth, and hydrated. If you have dry or chapped skin, you can apply a layer of honey as a face mask, leave it on for half an hour, and then rinse with warm water.
For a bath.
Combine 80 g of honey and 30 milliliters of olive oil.
Mix well.
Add the mixture to your bath water and enjoy a soak. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and wonderfully fragrant. You can also combine this mixture with milk for a soothing beauty bath. To soothe chapped lips, start by mixing a little brown sugar with olive oil and use it as a lip scrub. Then mix a small amount of rich sour cream with honey, apply it to your lips, and leave it on for 5 minutes. After this treatment, your lips will feel incredibly soft and moisturized.
Heal yourself.
Honey also has some impressive medicinal properties. You might find the following tips useful. Honey for healing cuts, scrapes, and wounds. After cleaning the affected area, whether it's a scrape, cut, or scratch, apply a little honey directly from the jar using a clean tool, of course, and cover the skin with a sterile bandage. Honey is a natural antimicrobial ointment and acts as a natural antibiotic.
Fighting insomnia.
There's a type of insomnia called early awakening, where you have no trouble falling asleep but wake up a few hours later and can't get back to sleep. If that sounds familiar, try taking 1 teaspoon of honey sprinkled with a small pinch of salt. This mixture helps dial down stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline that keep you awake at night.
Honey for problem skin.
Apply a little honey directly to pimples or acne, leave it on for half an hour, then rinse off with cold water. For anxiety relief. Honey has been used for centuries in India, interestingly enough, to calm the nerves. To do this, add honey to taste to chamomile or lavender tea. Treat insect bites by applying a little honey to a mosquito bite to reduce itching and irritation, and to help prevent future infection. Soothing a cough. Honey works just as well as many over-the-counter cough medicines. You can take it straight or mix it with a little lemon juice and coconut oil to soothe your cough even more effectively.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay with us.